Hi everyone, this is Lisa Thompson from the Panorama Portarlington development team. I'm standing on the almost finished stage 3. We are about to achieve civil practical completion. As you can see, asphalt's down, curb and channel, footpaths, crossovers. It is pretty much all done and dusted down on stage 3. We do have a couple more verti blocks to run in our front lot retaining, but that's pretty much it. So now we're going through the process of seeking all authority compliances. Now this can take some time, but we're hopeful that we'll have these all in place in another month's time. Now with stages 1 and 2, stage 1 is now titled. Hopefully we'll see some houses being built in the near future on stage 1. Stage 2 is about to title. So it is all happening down on Panorama stage 1, 2 and 3. It is a beautiful day down here. You can see the Yangs and the city skyline. Come and take a look and come and take a walk with me now on the finished stage 3. Bye.